Stop wildfire now. Save lives, property, and the environment from the devastation of wildfire. This work is dedicated to the memory of the 19 Granite Mountain hotshots who died June 30, 2013 in the Yarnell, Arizona wildfire. Firefighters are human beings like the rest of us. They need us as much as we need them. Wildfire is a global problem. Of December 2010, 42 Israelis were killed in a wildfire while their bus became trapped. To keep firefighters safe in a killer wildfire event, remove him or her to a safe area and let technology do the dangerous work. Yes, the spread of wildfire can be controlled by technology in many cases. To control the spreading of wildfire, we need to better understand how to utilize a broad mixture of technologies in order to gain the much-needed advantage in wildland-urban interface fire events. The million-dollar question is, how can this be accomplished? Here's a prototype device of the Rainmaker Wildfire Protection and Containment System. In a moment, we'll give you more information. The Rainmaker Wildfire Protection and Containment System is an apparatus, system, and method for which fire suppression and containment is provided in accordance with one embodiment of the invention. A conduit with a plurality of nozzle connections in various configurations to create specific fire suppression discharge patterns.
These obviously you want to straight through the edge, right? These, maybe you can fog these. See what I'm saying? So we're shooting straight up in the air, we're getting embers, and it gives you a blanket.
And that's exactly how Bernard, on this device here, it's designed to have its own nozzles. We're borrowing the fire department's nozzles, and of course they got hand valves on them, but custom nozzles built for the device would be low profile and built down into the conduit itself. They wouldn't stick out like that.
Each conduit can be operated individually or connected to another conduit by a predetermined length of hose forming a contiguous system, traversing large areas of the land. The invention and components form a multi-purpose fire suppression apparatus. The system can be operated remotely or manually. An alternative embodiment can be installed in residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Each system can be custom designed based upon environmental engineering requirements and system applications with regard to the conduit diameters, material composition, shape, length, and nozzle design without leaving the core design. The system components can also incorporate sensors, monitoring devices, robotics, i.e. RM, all-terrain vehicles, satellite imaging, and wireless technology.
Thank you so much, Chief. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.